Hello, today we are gonna see about H-type questions. How far is your daily commute to work or school? How far have you traveled from your hometown? How far in advance do you plan your vacations? How far have you progressed in achieving your life goals? How far do you live from your closest family members? How far have you advanced in your career or studies? How far do you go to stay connected with friends? How far have you come in pursuing your passions? How far have you explored your personal creativity? How far do you push yourself outside of your comfort zone? How far have you gone to overcome challenges in your life? How far in the future do you set your financial goals? How far have you traveled for a special event or celebration? How far have you gone to contribute to your community? How far do you reach to make a positive impact on others? How far have you come in building your personal brand? How far do you go to foster strong relationships with colleagues? How far have you explored different cultures or traditions? How far do you go to maintain a healthy work-life balance? How far have you traveled to attend a live performance or event? How far in advance do you plan for major life decisions? How far have you come in developing your personal resilience? How far do you go to show appreciation to those around you? How far have you traveled to pursue education or learning opportunities? How far in the future do you envision your retirement plans? How far have you explored different types of cuisine? How far do you go to stay physically and mentally healthy? How far have you come in mastering a particular skill or talent? How far do you reach to create a positive and inclusive environment? How far have you gone to pursue your favorite hobbies or interests? How far in advance do you plan for your family or friend gatherings? How far have you traveled to participate in a favorite sport or activity? How far do you go to support causes or charities you believe in? How far have you explored your local surroundings or hidden gems? How far in the future do you set your personal development goals? How far have you traveled for personal or spiritual growth? How far do you go to express your creativity in your work? How far have you come in building a diverse network of connections? How far do you reach to foster innovation in your work or projects? How far have you traveled to attend a family reunion or special event? How far in advance do you plan for your career aspirations? How far have you come in cultivating a growth mindset? How far do you go to create memorable experiences for yourself and others? How far have you traveled to explore natural wonders or landscapes? How far in advance do you plan for your personal milestones? How far have you come in developing a strong sense of purpose? How far do you reach to build and nurture meaningful friendships? How far have you traveled to explore historical sites or landmarks? How far in the future do you set your personal and financial milestones? How far do you go to create a positive impact on the environment? See you in next video. Thank you.